Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Perilla is also called Shiso. It is a plant that we are familiar with. Its seeds, stems, and leaves can be used in traditional Chinese medicine. Perilla leaves have a very special aroma. Compendium of Materia Medica records that perilla leaves can remove cold, replenish qi, unblock the heart meridian, and benefit the spleen and stomach. It eliminates phlegm and sharpens the lungs. Perilla leaves can also be eaten as a vegetable, cooked into porridge, made into tea, or eaten with barbecued meats. Today's recipe is perilla leaf salad. It's very simple. Let's get started. Prepare a fresh red pepper, chopped. Three garlic cloves, chopped. 100 grams of perilla leaves, wash them. Look at other seasonings: 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Put the perilla leaves into the large bowl. Add minced garlic, chopped chili, light soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, mix well. Delicious perilla salad is ready. This dish can be paired with porridge as breakfast. It's also delicious as a cold dish in summer. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.